Welcome to week 3. We are going to be talking about this first topic, brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers, and then we'll get into some of the different online business models with affiliate and drop shipping. So let's jump into brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers. The purpose of this assignment is to is to walk you through some different roles you might play online. And so in a traditional business, a manufacturer is one who creates the product. They come up with the idea and they actually make the physical product. The wholesaler usually purchases directly from the manufacturer and traditionally would sell to a retailer. So a wholesaler would sell to a retailer like Target, Walmart. Those are retailers. The broker is the one connecting these dots and creating these deals between manufacturers and wholesalers and retailers, and we take a percentage of that profit. So what you do in an online model, you will play these different roles at different times, or have an opportunity to play these different roles. What the online model does is create the opportunity for manufacturers to sell directly to consumers or wholesalers to sell directly to consumers. And you don't need the retail location as much or any more in some circumstances. You could, there's certainly a place for brokers still. You may be brokering a deal between manufacturers and customers, and we'll go into that a little bit more with the affiliate and drop shipping models. But just know your different roles and what they do traditionally in the business model and now what you can do online. So the instructions for this assignment are to read through your case, the Shady Suppliers case. This is, again, just a further case study on what you've been studying already with that same group of students. Then you're going to create a quantify and compare spreadsheet. This is a key function. I used to do a separate video on this. Now they've posted it here, so that's been very helpful in the course, and I will let you walk through this. But please note, this quantify and compare skill is extremely important in our course. You will need this for various assignments, and it's a great skill to have for any business. So it's not really just applicable for this class. I think it's a wonderful analysis to be able to do for any business owner, but we will be using it quite a bit. And essentially you'll go through and you'll have two alternatives. Say you're choosing between a restaurant or a t-shirt business, and then you can go through and decide on 3 criteria: how much money you might make, how much cost to start the business, how much time you have to invest. And that'll show you which is the best option out of your 2 alternatives. And you can expand that. Sometimes we'll do some with 3 or 4 alternatives and multiple criteria, and it's really adaptable to the decisions you're making. So please spend some time on this video, spend some time on your quantify and compare spreadsheet to get that skill set down, because we will be using it quite a bit. And then you will create a recommendation, an essay to answer these questions, and turn both the spreadsheet and the Word document in for your assignment. So that will be the brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers assignment. You will have a discussion board along with that. And then we can jump into our second topic, which is affiliate and drop shipping. Affiliate and drop shipping is going to take you through 2 of your common online business models, and I'll explain each of them and the differences between them. But you will have your case here And then you will again do a quantify and compare spreadsheet. So you'll see we're using that again. These won't be the only 2 assignments we use that on, but this week you really jump into it. And then you'll write a recommendation and a justification. So similar to the assignment you just did, but with a different focus. Now, affiliate and drop shipping are very common online business models, and let me briefly explain why, what they are, and the difference between the two. The wonderful advantage to online business is you can launch a business with little to no investment and with a fairly high earning capacity. And 2 very common models for that are affiliate and drop shipping. Affiliate is where you reach out to a company that manufactures a product and you basically say, I would like to become an affiliate. And you sign an affiliate agreement, and what you do is you create your own website. It is your own business, and launch the website, and on your website you have links to to the products that this company makes that you signed an agreement with. So they're not your products, but you have links to those products on your page. And embedded in that link code is something that registers to that company that when someone clicks on that link, that came through your website. So what your purpose as a business owner is to drive as much traffic as you can to your website and get as many people to click on those links and purchase the product, because you receive a percentage, a commission of the purchase money of that product when someone actually purchases the product. So it's not enough to click on the link and go to the product, but when they purchase the product, you receive a portion of those profits, whatever's agreed upon in the affiliate agreement that's signed. So you can do this with hundreds of products on your website, and if you want to expand it that large. For purposes of this class, I recommend you start with a product or 2. But if you want to grow a large affiliate marketing website, you can do that. There are some very large affiliate marketing websites out there. And then each time you drive traffic to your website, someone clicks on that link, and it will actually physically kick out to the site of the company you have an agreement with, and they'll finish the purchase there. The advantage is you don't do a lot of customer service because they're actually purchasing the site on that company's website, not on your website, but you still receive a small commission. In contrast, drop shipping sounds very similar to affiliate marketing at first, but there are some key differences. So you'll launch a website, it will be someone else's product, again, that you're advertising on your website. The difference is in drop shipping, they will actually complete the purchase on your website. So you will, the customer believes they are purchasing from your website, from your business. And then once they complete the purchase on your website, the order goes over to the manufacturing company and they will ship the product to the customer. The advantage is that you can control the whole experience, purchasing experience, beginning to end. And what's really powerful in drop shipping is that you can set the prices in most instances. So you determine what the price is, which means you have a slightly higher earning capacity. The downside is you take on that customer service component, and when there's an issue with the shipping or there's an issue with the product, they're going to come to you even though you didn't ship it or create the product. And so you've got to know how to deal with those challenges. So higher earning capacity on drop shipping, but definitely higher involvement, higher workload. So that is affiliate and drop shipping. If you're unfamiliar with these models, they're very, very exciting because this is really where you get into the power of online business, where you can essentially, it's not a hands-off business, even the affiliate marketing, because you're doing a lot of work in the marketing side, but you don't, you're not tasked with coming up with a product. So if that's hard for you to think, oh, how do I make something to sell? How do I manage the inventory? All those questions are now offloaded. You don't have to consider all that. You go out there and you find a product that you think is great, where you can form an affiliate agreement with and market it and go from there. Not all companies are open to allowing affiliate marketing. Amazon loves affiliate marketing, and tons of people will affiliate with Amazon because of that. and there's other companies out there too. But think about these business models and what interests you, if that might be an avenue. If it's not, if you've got a totally separate business idea, then great. You can go for it for this class. It's important to go through this assignment so that you understand the different models that are out there. So that is it for this week. I really like week 3 because it gets into really demonstrating the potential of these online businesses. Please reach out if you've got questions about these models or how it might fit for your business. Don't forget to continue working on Project 1, as that's the due date for that is going to be coming up fast, and you want to make sure you get a jump on that. But that is it for week 3.